Hi, this is a litter of blue Great Dane puppies. They are 6 weeks old here. We still have 2 females that are available. There's 9 in this litter. I'm going to do a couple different videos, as otherwise there's just too many to wrangle up. This is a Scooby Dee right there, but she's already spoken for. Scrappy, oh, they're all taking off on me. Come here. Here's Scooby Dee. And like I said, she's already spoken for. Then we have, that one is Dynamite with the pink collar. She is still available. And green collar here is also still available. And then Scrappy right here, he is, he's kind of pending right now of a deposit. He's the only boy in this video right now. But he's pending right now for a couple of days, and then we'll see if he's actually sold or is available. And then we have, this one is pink collar Dynamite. Let me show you. She does have some white on her chest. And then this one is Marcy, or Hot Dog, and she's still available. She's pretty much, let me see. Yeah, she's pretty much a solid. She's got a couple white hairs on her chest, but not too bad. So they are 6 weeks old here. Very active, playful Great Dane puppies. Like I said, they're blue. They are from both parents that are blue. A litter of 9, and I think I'm down to 2 females in this video that are available. And then the other Danes are all already spoken for. They are ready to go around May 4th. There's Scrappy, and there's Scooby Dee. Then we have Dynamite. They like to go take their toys under the desk. Come here! There's Marcy. And like I said, she's still available. And then Dynamite back there. See if I can zoom in on her. She is also still available. So you can contact us at 616-892-1993. We'd love to give you some more information on the Great Dane puppies that we have available. There's Scooby Dee. There's Marcy. Did you come out? Come here. Is it, you sweetie? Yes, you are. And there's Scrappy. And then there's Dynamite. I'm also trying to do some updates of pictures, and I'll do their weights. Very active, playful pups. They'll come up to date on their vaccines and dewormings. They come with a health guarantee. So we have Marcy here, who is still available, who's pretty much a solid blue. And then we have, oh, Dynamite right there. There's Scooby Dee. And there's Scrappy, who's pending. Hey, Dynamite. How you doing? Very fun pups right now. You guys getting the bunny, huh? Huh. Love to play with toys right now. Little Scrappy. Come here, Scrappy. Oh, hi, Scooby. Hi, Dee. Scooby Dee. So these 2 right here are the 2 that are still available. We got Scooby Dee here. And there's Scrappy. Huh, buddy? There's Dynamite. There's Dee. Hey, sweetie. Hi, Scrappy. Way up in my lap. I can't get you. Ooh. Did you bring me a toy? All right, we should probably get some other of your brothers and sisters out to play. Hi, Marcy. You're way up in my lap, too. And here's Dynamite. Hi, guys. Yeah, I can't get you when you're so close to me like that. Maybe I should get up. Alright, let's see if we can get you guys a little bit. So there's Scrappy and Scooby Dee. And then we have Dynamite. So as I mentioned, we have one male still available that's pending right now, and then we still have 2 females of these Great Danes, blue Great Danes, that are available to go May 4th. And we'll say thanks for visiting. Say bye.